Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to use the Magic Write in Canva. Canva is an all-in-one platform that you can do a lot of things like graphics, design, and all sort of templates. You can play around with templates to create your brands. You can create your social media videos, websites, presentations, and all that Canva. But for today, we're going to focus on the Magic Write. If you're aware of the latest ChatGPT, which has been an AI tool that can write different kind of content for you, Canva has incorporated the Magic Write, which you can use something like the ChatGPT to ask questions and interact with it, and then it will write content for you. So all you need to do is to open your Canva. You can do that by coming to canva.com from here, and you can log in to your Canva free account. This is a free account, so you can just log in. And then you can come all the way here. So the first thing you need to do is to come to the docs over here, and you can come down directly to doc, create a beautiful visual document by just clicking on this, and it welcomes you into a fresh blank page. So you can start writing anything, for example, the title. So you can just type learning about the Magic Write. So you can come down. Usually we have this plus sign, which is the navigator. You can add anything you want. You can click and you can add anything. So the first thing you see is the Magic Write. So you have a bunch of other features that you can add, like subheading, headings, body, designs. You can scroll down to have many features that you can add, just like the way you play around with Word document. You can add tables, you can add pie chart, bar chart, line charts, and many more features you can bring in. You can embed codes and bring in timer on the checklists, bulleted list. You can play around with all this. And you have the multiple features also to play around with in terms of text editing and color correction and coloration, and even bolding, italicizing, and playing around with different kind of font styles and so on from here. But for today, we're just focusing on Magic Write. So you select on Magic Write, write 5 tips on how to overcome writer's block. So you can just try on anything, just ask it to write anything for you. So for now, maybe I want to ask you to write a content on video editing, generally video editing. So can you write content on video editing? And you can see with just one click, it's going to give me a content on video editing. Very easy and fast to create content. So you can see, sure, video editing is a great way to give visuals to your stories and create memorable content. Okay, so you can see it's a great way to create videos that are engaging, captivating, whether you are a beginner or a professional. You can use video editing for this, make stunning videos, from cutting and sliding and splicing clips to adding graphics, effects. Video editing allows you to be creative and express yourself in unique ways. So you can see the first thing, you see the content, that the question that you asked it at the top, and then you can see the content that it has just generated. So if you like, you can add more, or if you like, you can ask another different question. For example, you can add more. So you can write another thing. For example, write about sustainability, and with just one click, it's going to search around and it's going to give you an answer. Sustainability is an important aspect of life in today's world. It's about living in a way that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. Okay, so you can see, you can write more, or you can just go ahead and keep writing content. For example, you can come down and write some more. If you want to write something, maybe you can say write about air pollution. You can just come down here, click on the plus sign, you can say Magic Write, and then you can go ahead and say write about air pollution. And you can be very specific. For example, write about air pollution, and you just wait for it, just searches, and then boom, you can see it just written about air pollution. Air pollution is a major environmental issue that affects us all. It is caused by a variety of factors such as burning fossil fuels, industrial activities, and vehicle emissions. It can have a huge impact on the environment, our health, and overall quality of life. So you can see it just quickly, within seconds, generate all this, and you can write as many things as you can. Canva has incorporated this into it, and I feel like it's a very fantastic feature that you can easily use to enhance your content creation and YouTube idea generation, and even the way you handle your data or your branding in Canva platform, because it's an all-in-one platform that you can do quite a lot of things. So go ahead and give it a try. Just come to the Magic Writer and try to explore it and see what you can do with it in terms of generating content free of charge and for your own usage. So I think that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please remember to hit the subscribe and notification buttons if you find any value to this. I will see you in my next video. Bye.